Yes, I'm talking to you. So, I just want to say I love you, and
watch love. My God. One on at Jerkfest. Show them the
Church, I respect you all aspect, you know, the thing, Agent Saska, you know, this is Chef Young Media, see? Stay tuned.
Yo, I'm from the voice of Alliant representing Chef Young Media. Tune in right now, don't be a pussy. Mad.
Alright, TD Jerkfest, we ain't gonna waste no time because guess what? The time is against us right now.
It's against us.
Time is against us. Bands, you ready? Let me hear something now from the bands. What's good? Ready?
They're ready.
Let me hear something now.
No, they already have it ready. Taurus Riley is coming to the stage, of course. You know his hits. And he is a legend, of course. His father is a legend. We can't live a... Jimmy Riley, may he rest in peace.
Yeah. TD Jerkfest, when I say Taurus, you say Riley. Taurus! TD Jerkfest, welcome on stage. The man himself.
Singer! Taurus Riley!
You know, invited to the Taurus Riley experience.
Can't touch the lion. He's so humble. Never touch the lion. Can't touch the lion. Never touch the lion. A pleasant good evening, Toronto. God bless. Lion Paw. Each one and me. Sure. If they can go back where they came from, no demonic words performed shall prosper. Yeah. Sure. We tell the other and the science man come, because if they can't touch the lion, who shall bless? No man curse. Sure. You know the vibes already. If your heart clean, so clean. We give thanks for life. We give thanks for life. Jerkfest thanks for life. Alright, sure. Well, a special request to a nice and decent people, Toronto. Brompton, Scarborough, sunrise, my pride and my upright. No one can rock my vibe. Hey, I'm in the care who want fight, who want criticize. I'm on a higher heights. Hey, well, you can say what you want, do what you want. It's no concern to me. And if you feel alright in a Jerkfest, when everybody sing along with me, well, it's your mind. Hey, to do. What you say? And I lose it anyway I want to. I like my life, and I'm responsible for every reaction. Well, it's all. Hey, well, it's you know, please don't give me some reason, and don't invade my space. I'm in a different place, different. I'm moving on my way. If you feel like a champion, a Jamaican, put up your run now wave. Wipe away the troubles, wipe away the worries, and come on, well, it's your mind. Hey, to do anything I want to, and I use it any way I want to. I like my life, and I'm responsible for every action. But it's all mine, my time, my life. So we say, who jobless? If you know you have the cleanest heart, say clean. Listen now, we can't ask for workers of iniquity. Rastafari, I'm my security. Whoa, in our all the pretty girls scream. All of the real man say, burr. Oh, check it. We can't ask for workers of iniquity. Fix it, Rastafari. Put your hand and clean out the people and go so. Whoa, in our well, yes, never leave my data. Far from vampires. In our I'm in my forward there. Alright then, we'll keep my fire right then. And keep my fire. I show them the dance and the mask. But the permission in them class. What's it right now? They are shame. Backyard, Babylon, the land with it. Never hesitate for boss and sail for me. Toronto, sing like me. In our what you say? I keep far from vampires. In our softly, a Jerkfest, and I rush. A pleasant good night, Jerkfest, how you feeling? Many of you make a roll call and show up one of the audience. I am the one I am roll call, one and all, roll call, one and all. I make we see who in the crowd now. Anyone from Trinidad here? Any Guyanese here? Anybody here next here? No? Any original Toronto people here? Cool. Any Jamaicans here? Alright. Toronto. Come on. Toronto. What you say? Freestyle. I don't know everything about Toronto, but I know a little bit about Toronto. You see the Jamaicans here in Toronto, they don't say Toronto, they say Toronto. Alive? Somebody's lying. We're gonna make a song now. Everybody sing again. Idiom Toronto. What? Toronto. One more time. I don't know everything about Toronto, but I know know a few things about Toronto's. The Caribbean people here in Toronto, they don't say Toronto, they say Toronto. Where did the other T go? It pronounced Toronto. What's going on in Toronto? Let me tell you what I'm in Toronto. I had a girl in Mississauga, Toronto, and the next girl in Brampton, Toronto, and a friend in Jane and Finch, Toronto, and now Scarborough, I can't go. Anyway, let me tell you what I go on now. You see, entering the venue, my girl from Rexdale see me. She said, "What go on, singing?" I say, "Hi." She said, "You don't remember me?" I said, "No." Nice to know you, let's do it. You know me? Oh, yeah. So listen, I said, me and you never have no one night stand. Don't tell no lie. She said, "I true Tarrus, cause you can't take me for idiot." I said, "Oh, you're so aggressive." She said, "Let me tell you something, Taurus Riley. You think you could have get in on my feelings? What she do? She give me a... You run that time about it and run. Me I go run. Cause if me hit a problem, confident. So me say confident in you. Jaja, boy you dog up that way. Suffer, and I decide them a feel. Scatter and matter and matter. That's the part where you clap. If you know the vibe, say go on singing. So go on singing. Well, every day, we give thanks and praise. All of the man that love them picnics and picnic. All of the women that love them children scream. It's Jerkfest and it's a family affair. You know the vibes already. Big up yourself, Miss Chin. Alright, so you spend all that money on your watch. Hey, well, how much time you spend with your son? So much money in your club. You, how much you spend with the ones you love? If you give thanks to life, some more life. If you know that song, you're a big song, say go on, sing it. Make yourself Agent Sasko, brother for life. Cannon, Lion, again. You spend all that money on your watch. Well, how much time you spend with your son? So much money in the club. Tell me how much you spend with the ones you love. The same for me. Shoes on your feet, hey, but you now pick and choose the friends where you keep. You know what's where you firewood. Hey, when last you get a good sleep, simple thing. Sure, you got to notice your blessing. The simple thing. Who are your Jerkfest? Everybody says simple things. When you say simple, one time, push up your voice and sing again. The simple things. When you say simple things, can't hear your simple things. Sure, you got to notice your blessing. It's a blessing to be here. If you believe in blessing, if you believe in love, if you believe in oneness, put up one finger like this. Big respect to all the people who love Taurus Riley from day one. Enough love Toronto. You know the one, yeah? Hey! We've been together for a while now, growing stronger every day now. Feels so good and there is no doubt. Hey, I will stay. Oh, well, as each morning bring us sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. And you can realize, so I will say, well, everybody say, I will stay with you through the ups and your downs. I will stay with you when no one, drummer, watch it. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I want you to sing with me. Come on. I will through the I will when no one else is. Oh, and when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side, and I know we'll be alright. I know we'll be alright. I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you. Rastafari. If you love my song, so go on, sing it. Now when they have a nice up at Jerkfest, I want you more music black side. Sure, alright. You tired? Are you ready to go home? Are you ready to sing along with me? Well, come now. Hey. Looking out across the night time, hey, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear a voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Well, get me out there, right there in the nighttime. Niceness in the Jerkfest tonight. Oh yeah, and if you feel alright and you're here to have a good time, I need everyone to push up your voice and sing the punchline. Come on, and if they say why do you do me that way? And if they say what you say, oh why do you do me that way? Hey, well, I'm reaching out, hey, to a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. Easy. Well, good girl, kinky, and she knows I'm watching wine, and she likes the way I stare. Your time, and if they say what do you do me? You alright? And if they say play soft in the mirror then. Nobody have to push up your vibes, Toronto. One, come on. And if they say that nice, human nature, why do you do me that way? And if they say why, when you say ooh, baby girl, why do you do me that way? I love living this way. Oh, and she likes the way once again, all the pretty ladies scream. And all of the man, them know the man on mannequin. So, alright, but just make sure. More music. So one of my favorite songs for the ladies, yeah? We call it Superman. All of the women, them know them a superwoman. Look at my son Kiki. Oh, yeah. I'm a Superman, like St. Louis Lane. Kissed away my problems when I went insane. Took me from the depths when I lost my name. I know she gave me something I could live for. Alright, everyone is asking what's the change. They don't recognize I've got so much to say. And then I never thought someone loved someone so much they give up on everything. I know know you're beautiful, baby. I know you're beautiful. Oh yes, you're beautiful, boy. I feel butterflies when I'm in your hands. You can turn the pavement into white sand. You can make a moment a memory in a glance. And I can't live for the mic is on now, everybody's talking. Always. Never stop listening, baby. And I never thought someone love someone so much they give up on everything. I know I will be there when you need me. Yeah, I will be there when you cry, baby. Hey, I will be there when you need someone to tell you. Boy, I will be there when you need someone to run with, and I will be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm the lover till the sky is turned girl. Oh yeah, because you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful, baby. Softly, don't stop to keep it like this up. Question. All of the people that we know say they never come here tonight alone. They come here tonight to them family. They come here tonight to them friend. They come here tonight to them co-worker who they call family. And them are dealing togetherness. Say togetherness. I can't hear say togetherness. I just want you to know say a oneness, yeah? I'm gonna sing a little song. I'm gonna want the band to move it. Just listen. You know that song, yeah? Hey, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. Anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. It works. I'm in your corner. When you need someone around, you know I'll be your friend. Cause I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner, Toronto. I'm in your corner. And I'm never gonna let you down. Lyrics. So when I call you my family, I mean it. What's thicker than blood? Realness. I'm not leaving. And if your heart clean, raise them high, make we see them. Oh, hey, I will be there when you need me. I will be there when you cry, baby. I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. Yeah, man. You ready for that here now? Take out your phone and turn on the flash. And everyone here, turn on your light if you have one. And all the pretty girls, them turn on the flash. We're gonna light the place, man. You know that one, yeah?
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, flow on with the waves. Let me see your light.
Well, alright. That part of the show, they move your waistline. All the pretty girls move your waistline. Every man come a woman move your waistline. What you want to, tell me. I don't see no waistline I go around, walk one. Light up a place and move. Hold it and go so. Whoa. Alright. Togetherness.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade,
What you feel do?
fire up your light.
And if your waistline sees up, just rock. Just rock. It's just a rock. It's just a rock. And just a rock. And if the waistline I move, just move it. And just rock if you can't move. Hey, sure. Hey, when you want to, tell me my lover. Like you wanna end this video, like a damn car fire. Well, let's love it, got it can't expire. So, touch all over and sapphire. You know I say,
You are the legend to me.
I'll be your boy. Come on up here, baby. Move your waistline. Move your waistline. Come on. What you say? with me. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, hey, and flow down with the waves, you make me feel. You make me feel. That's how you make me feel. Make me feel. That's how you make me feel. Reverse. Why? Say why? Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Let's have around and make me hear them, please, Marcy. Hey, no, what you say? Until I see your eyes, yeah, and then I had to try, yeah. Tell her to, oh yes, let me get my words right, and then you know I treat you like a man, so hey, you'll never have to cry. Oh no, I know everyone can relate to it. Toronto. We're not rush, it's not a quickie. Relax. Hold on. You hear the lyrics of I want her in her life, my life? Yeah. Miss Julie Smith. Julie Smith? Calling Julie Smith. You don't know your name? You don't know your name? You make me a call out your name so much time. Come here, man. You know the lyrics of the song? Him say, and I. Oh, we go again. His name? I. So guess what? Softly. It coming like a you, them wanting in them life. Just stand up right there, son. Your brother say he wants in his life. No man, sir. Shy, we don't have a lot of time. You want to go and boss with your name? Yes. Alright. Strong black man, yeah, man. You want her in your life? Attack, you attack, man.
Hey, babe. We've been through a lot. This journey's been a lot of ups and downs, but you've been my everything. You're my raw, so everything, and I just wanted to say that I appreciate it. I wouldn't want to like this. Yes, I'm talking to you. So, I just want to say I love you, and
watch love. My God. When I know at Jerkfest, show them the will you marry me? Nod your head. No, you can't nod your head. Answer about the word here. Yeah. Now hug him up and kiss him up. 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 Hug her up and... You know, jeez, I'm crying. This had more than Jerkfest. Hello. On that Russian honeymoon. Congratulations. Everybody sing with me now. I know everyone can relate to when they... What you say? And it look like he's got her in his... Sing the next part. She's my everything. She's is everything. And now she's gonna be his wife. Congratulations, salute tonight. My gosh, what's love? People, I have to apologize to you. Circumstances beyond our control. I just say someone did have a little incident earlier, so the time cut a little bit short. But guess what? When it's nice, you have to do it twice. We're there tomorrow night again, you know. So tell a friend to tell a friend, but it's a strict curfew. Softly, 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 softly. Jamaica people, them love going like so we not think about where we love going with a bag of things. Them have a strict curfew, and we have to make sure it's a safety first. So as you said, we're going there tomorrow night and nice up the place once again, me, Sasko, the whole crew. And you know, we have a strict curfew. So I love straight to you. Alright? I am because we are Toronto. We're on fire.
Make some noise for Taurus Riley! Listen, real quick, very important. I want to take the time out to thank each and everyone today. Today was a very trying day and you guys stuck in there. You guys stayed with us, so we appreciate you guys so much. So on behalf of the entire Jerkfest family, I want to thank you guys for being so patient with us today. And guess what? We will be back here tomorrow, same time, same place. If you drink, don't drive. Everything that we do, we put the Almighty first because God is good all the time. And all the time, see you all tomorrow.
Chef Young start sell whites, don't lock off the stove. Out of kitchen now, wash off your clothes. Massacre, me I say, yo, Chef Young media, you know what going on one side to the landslide, you hear that? Body no mad, you know, I say, monster enhance. As I bleach out you, I'm there to represent for, oh, Chef Young media. I'm mad this body, so I say, Chef Young media, the man body thing, them see them, body room.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young, straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
The mark I represent for Chef Young.
Yeah, this is the messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa.
Chef Young, you know badness going on, man. Maddest and the sickest, you know. London. Mad.